First, gather the ingredients. You'll need half a cup of ketchup, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of uncooked pasta, a cup each of shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 large chopped onion, a pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a 1/4 cup of chopped pickles for garnish. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms, move over to the stove. In a large skillet, cook the ground beef, onion, and garlic over medium heat until the beef is no longer pink. Add the diced tomatoes, ketchup, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper, and stir everything together. In a separate large pot, cook the pasta according to package instructions until it's al dente, which means it's cooked but still has a bit of a bite. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and then combine it with the beef mixture. Stir in half of the cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish, then top it with the remaining cheese. Slide the dish into your preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. When it's ready, the cheese on top should be melted and bubbly. Garnish the casserole with chopped pickles just before serving. Do share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.